Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to try something completely different. It's a rainy day. We had to change our plans, what we were going to vlog today. So we are going to do a progressive dinner of things that we normally would not eat on a usual day. So we're just going to go to different restaurants through drive-thrus, pick an item that we normally wouldn't have or even think about having, and let that be part of our day today. So the first thing we're going to start out with is Starbucks, and we're going to get something that's different from what we normally would get. Usually we get an iced white chocolate mocha when we go here, but we're going to try something different today. Let's do it. Okay, so our first stop is Starbucks. Gotta do the bucks. But we're gonna try something here we've never tried before. Yes, ma'am. I want to do a tall kiwi starfruit refresher, please.
You got it. What else for you?
That's all.
What name can I put on this order for you?
John.
I got you, John. It is going to be $3.79 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we have the kiwi refresher. We've been seeing this for a little while and we just haven't been brave enough to get it, but today we're gonna try it. Okay, Angie's gonna try first.
It's like a sweet and sour. Almost has an apple aftertaste.
Ray's back there crunching up
A cup.
a cup. Okay.
wanna try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. Yeah, it does have an apple taste to it.
Like afterwards.
Well, I'm sure there's one in there. I'm sure there is, but kiwi refresher. I wouldn't get it again. Would you get it again?
No.
No, wouldn't get it again.
But it's not awful. It's just I'm not a fruity drink person.
Yeah, no go for me.
You are though. But
I am.
But not that.
Everyone knows how much I love my ices, but
It's just different.
I mean, the more I drink it, the more it's all right. But
Yeah.
watch me like end up getting it all the time after this. Who knows? But on to the next place. We're gonna find a breakfast sandwich. Let's just see how good that is, or where we're even gonna go. Okay, so we decided to have lunch or breakfast at Bojangles. We're gonna try one of their biscuits here. Don't really know which one we're going to try, but we're just going to try something different. Not necessarily crazy, but just something we haven't tried before. Okay, like I said, not everything we try today is going to be weird or unconventional. So we decided to get the steak biscuit from Bojangles. So we're going to try that real quick. Angie's splitting it in half.
Somewhat.
Somewhat.
That's good.
Here we go. Look at that. Look at that goodness, the steak. They told me it was going to be 5 minutes, but then... oh, excuse me, ma'am. They told me it's going to be 5 minutes, but it wasn't. So, yep. So it's just kind of like a country fried steak. I don't know. Let's try it. Not for me.
No.
I don't. Yeah, I do not like fried steak, country fried steak. I mean, I'm from Tennessee, and I don't like that kind of stuff, but I am curious what Angie thinks of hers. Here she goes.
It's okay.
That's okay? Mm-hmm. I figured you'd hate it.
I mean, I wouldn't just choose it, but
Yes.
it's good.
Okay. I was disappointed. I hope you'd hated it like I did. Oh well. Okay, so our next stop is Sonic, and we are going to try to find out if they have the dill pickle slush. We don't know if they have it, but we're going to find out in just a second. Waiting.
What can I get for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Do you guys still have the dill pickle slush?
I'm sorry?
Do you guys still have the pickle juice slush?
No, sir. We do not have pickle juice flavors.
Okay, all right, thank you. So they were probably like, what the frick was that? She acted like she didn't even know about it, but I know it was a thing, right?
Yeah.
It was a thing. So on to the next place. Our lunch option for today, Taco Bell. We're gonna try something we've never tried before here. And we've tried a lot here, but today it's gonna be something unconventional. To us, anyway. I think we're gonna go with the spicy potato soft taco.
And something that John really wants to try is the salmon biscuit.
All right, thanks guys, appreciate it.
Just kidding.
Yes, it is. Yeah. All right, so one thing you guys may not know is I do not like spicy things. Like, I do like them, but not things that shouldn't have them. So we're gonna try this spicy taco. This is our lunch item for the day. And all that spicy goodness in there. Do you fold it open? Will it let you fold it open without losing? Okay, there we go. Mmm. Got shot right up in there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys ever seen the Hodge Twins? They would love this right now. And... no go for you, right?
I mean, it's good, but it's a little bit of spice. You're gonna really hate it.
This reminded me of something on The Office where Stanley or Michael hits the drink machine and makes Stanley get the peach iced tea, and he says, "Peach iced tea, you're gonna hate it." When she said that, it sent shivers down my spine. Let's try it.
Ray?
You do not want
don't
this,
want
Ray.
this.
Okay, let's try it. Why? Why would you put spice on a potato? Oh my gosh. Oh, I hate that. I'm sorry.
Set it up
I
there
hate
so
that.
you can take a drink.
Oh man. I hate stuff like that. Who are you people? Why do you like? Oh my gosh. Ugh. Yes, ma'am. Just the loaded fries.
Anything else?
Nope. That's it.
$3.50, thank you.
Thank you. All right, so you have to have an appetizer. So we decided to go to Checkers for our appetizer, and we got the loaded fries. Let's try them. Okay, I'm gonna let you try it first, babe.
Okay. It's alright, I could do without the bacon.
Yeah. Is it the best loaded fries you've ever tried?
No.
Okay. Now, the reason why this isn't something we would normally try is because we're not a fan of Checkers. Especially the one in our hometown, or my hometown, because it has a history of keeping the buns in the bathroom. Okay, I'll have to try them. Now, I want it to be noted that I normally do not eat like this. I don't eat like that. It's just the way that Angie handed it to me, and while I'm eating. So here's a closer look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, here we go. It's okay. Try it again. Now the fries are like real soggy tasting.
That's because of all the stuff on top.
Right, but there's no like crunch to them.
Okay.
Other loaded fries I've tried though have had that crunch. But not this one. So, yep. Not for me. What about you? No? Wouldn't do it again. Ray's wondering, when are you going to stop and give me some dog food at one of these places?
No, she does not want dog food. She wants people
She wants bacon. She wants pup cups. She got a pup cup when we went to Starbucks.
Yeah.
But we're waiting in line at Arby's right now. Babe, are you excited about our dinner? A jalapeno roast beef slider. Now, we know this isn't like a full dinner.
We're just trying.
Because we are going to eat later. Just going to try this. Looks scary.
Yes.
Does it have jalapenos on it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm doomed.
Yeah, you are.
You want some, Ray? You don't want that. No. Okay. Well.
Here goes nothing.
Are you going to split it, or?
I don't know. You want me to?
I don't care to eat after you. That's fine.
Okay, because it's going to be hard to break that.
Yeah, that's fine. Well.
I didn't get spice on my bite.
Oh, of course you didn't. We just had this discussion how I don't like spice. I mean, we literally just had this discussion how I don't like spice. Look at that. And she gives me the part of it that's got the jalapenos. So, here we go. My gosh.
Is it spicy?
How do you people? Oh my gosh. No, man.
Is it spicy?
Yeah. It's
There.
bad. Y'all are going to be watching saying you are such a lightweight when it comes to spice, but I really am. Like, when enchiladas suizes are their hottest, that's how it tasted just now. That's, oh no. I can't do that. Ciao.
I mean, it's not that bad, but...
It's not that bad, but I can't take it. So to me, that's just... All right, let's go get us a dessert. Ending our adventure at Baskin Robbins. 31 flavors of fun. All right, looking at the flavors, deciding what we're gonna get here.
Thank you for choosing Baskin Robbins. What can I get for you?
Can I have just a moment, please?
You sure can. Just let me know when you're ready.
All right, thank you. Okay, so I got the, what is this? The Around the Rainbow sherbet. And Angie got
Icing on the cake.
icing on the cake. There's actually bits of cake in here. That's pretty cool. Wasn't expecting this. Yeah, cool colors at least.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just try it and see what it tastes like.
It literally tastes like I'm eating icing.
Oh, really?
You might have to try that.
I'm gonna have to try that.
Here, you want it?
Yeah. Okay, so here's my sherbet. I did try Angie's, it was pretty good. And I'm not sure what exactly flavor this is. I think it's just food coloring. It might taste like orange, maybe. Let's try it. Oh yeah, very fruity. It's like the three, what is it, like lemon, I don't know what it is. Lemon, orange, and lime sherbet is what it is. Sherbet, whatever you want to call it.
Back.
Pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, so that was our day. Our progressive dinner, trying different things that we've never tried before. Well, it wasn't really a progressive dinner. It was more of a progressive day. We did all this within like a couple of hours, so gave ourselves a little bit of space to, you know, not eat so much. But I looked at our bank account. It ended up costing us $21 for everything combined. So, and we did share everything, of course. Keep that in mind. But we did, you know, we wanted to try something different. This was by far, Baskin Robbins was by far the highest thing. It was $7 for us. So not bad. I mean, it was good. It was filling, you know, whatever. But by far, it was the most expensive out of everything that we tried today. So anyway, we're gonna do more of these. Once we finish our move, we'll do more of these occasionally. There's gonna be a lot of choices where we're going soon. But we'll do these from time to time. We enjoyed this. We had a lot of fun doing this. This was kind of a combined idea effort. So if you guys like it, make sure you like the video. Write down in the comments what you think next time we should try. That's unconventional, that we normally wouldn't get, or what you normally wouldn't get. Maybe it's something that we probably wouldn't get, and we'll try it. We'll do it. It'd be fun. Me trying the spicy stuff today is showing that I'm willing to try stuff. Now, one thing I wanted to try today was a salmon biscuit, and she wouldn't let me do it because she'd probably just blow chunks everywhere. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you next time.